Good morning, guys. How are you today? So Brandon and I'm like talking weird. My lips are all chapped and I'm a hot mess. So today Brandon and I are going down to the city, or to more specifically the Bronx, and we're gonna go get our taxes done with my parents, and then we're gonna go to Arthur Ave. And for those of you that don't know what that is, that's an area of the Bronx that's like mainly Italians, and that's where you can get like really good Italian food, and you can get like stuff to bring home and all the good cookies and cannolis and stuff like that. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I figured we could take you guys along. Brandon, do you have any words? Okay.
I'm tired.
He's tired.
It's too early for me.
So yeah, I'm gonna drive and I will pick up with you in a little bit. Hi guys. So I'm with my parents and Belle
50% chance.
and Brandon, and I wanted to show you guys because we're in my parents' car,
I can check though.
and they have this like really cool charging thing. So there's this little charging station in their car, and you put your phone down and it charges your phone, and it's so cool. Hi. So we just got to our favorite pizza place, and we're about to get some pizza. Do you know what kind of pizza you're gonna get?
Maybe cheese, like
White pizza. I think I just want a plain slice. What about you?
I don't know. I've never been here.
So I should have vlogged us eating pizza, but we were so hungry that all of us ate it already. Right? How was it? Delicious. So yeah, we just ate pizza. So now we're gonna go to a couple of other stores and get some like bread and cookies and stuff like that. So I'll take you guys with me. So I think right now we're going to get some really good bread, and I want to make a pit stop and get some cannolis. What do you want? Ooh, yeah, cannolis. You don't want a cannoli? Yeah. You know what? So we're at the bread store, obviously, and my parents are gonna get some bread because they always like to get a loaf down here.
You want cannoli?
So Belle and I just snuck away to get some peach waves. Do you know what kind you want?
I kind of want cheesecake.
Cheesecake, and I think I'm gonna get the plain tart. No. You want one? What?
You went so slow.
I'm filming. Hi guys. So it's actually a couple days later in this vlog, and I'm actually going to meet up with Bree, and we're just gonna have like a nice little girls date, and I think I'm gonna get Starbucks or something like that and meet her there. But I have to go because I'm about to meet her like right now. Vlogged while I was driving, or I haven't vlogged while I was driving in a while. Click it or ticket. Okay, so quick little life update. I figured I would do that while I drive because what else is there to do while I drive? Sorry, I'm like backing out of my driveway here. Okay. Yeah, so quick little life update. I feel like I haven't explained like really what's been going on and why I haven't, I don't know. I feel like I'm crazy busy, and here's why. Ooh, no, honey, no. Okay, so I don't know if shit. So I don't know if I have mentioned this before. Sorry, it's gonna be a little bumpy for a second. But I did start school for aesthetics. I started that back in September. And if you don't know what aesthetics is, it's like a skincare therapist, or I'm, you know, getting licensed to be an esthetician. So basically what that means is I can work at spas or like medical spas, or work as a dermatologist assistant, or anything like that. And I kind of just wanted to talk about that because I feel like it took me a really long time to know what I wanted to do with my life, I guess. And the pressure kind of gets put on you from like when you start high school. Like everyone's trying to figure out what they want to do with their lives, and it's kind of like everyone always asks like, oh, what are you gonna do? Like, do you have any career choices in mind? Like, where are you gonna go to college? Blah, 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 blah. So there's a lot of stress on you from when you start high school through college and blah, 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 blah. And I feel like it took me a really long time to decide like what I wanted to do, and I always felt really stressed about it, and I would get really upset because my answer was like always, I don't know what I'm good at, I don't know what I want to do. And then I would see like all my friends and they had all their career paths like picked out and everything. So that was really hard for me. But finally I sat down and it kind of just came to me. I'm like, what am I into? And obviously I like making YouTube videos, but more for like myself. So I make them when I can because I like to do it in my free time. I love editing. I love just making YouTube videos. And of course I really like shopping. I really like makeup, and I was really starting to enjoy skincare. So I kind of thought about it, and actually one of my coworkers went to the same school that I'm going to now, and she suggested going to get my esthetician license. So that's what I did, and that's what I'm doing right now. This like camera is like all messed up and crooked and stuff, but the point of me saying all of this is that if you are at a point in your life where you're feeling the pressure of not knowing what you want to do, or like career wise, the best advice that I can give you is just to relax, and that you will eventually find what you're meant to do and what you're passionate about. It took me 23 years to figure out what I actually wanted to do with my life, and I don't know, everyone says this, but it's like, and you'll probably end up changing your mind once you pick what you want to do anyway. So yeah, anywho, this was really hard to vlog. I need to get like a stand because the traffic is crazy. It's like stop and go, but I'm almost to Starbucks, so I'll meet up with you in a second. Hi guys, so I'm with Bree now. Say hi. Hi. And we just went to the food store and she got this kombucha drink, which I'm not a fan of, and I found out it has caffeine, but I'm trying to not have caffeine, so couldn't drink that. But I got water and chocolate chip cookies because that's so healthy. And right now, this is our view. We're just down looking at the river. It's so pretty. Guys, look who I bumped into. I didn't actually bump into them, literally. I actually went to Em's house and picked her up. I just bumped into you. Oh my gosh, what are you doing here? You're here? I would have never known. So right now we're going to the smoothie place, and this is kind of like random. and we didn't pay a meter and we're just running. Wave. So I got a super shot, which is B12, lemon, turmeric, and what else? Ginger. And then I got my green smoothie. Hi guys, so I just wanted to come on here and officially end this vlog because I feel like I've literally been vlogging this entire vlog for like over a week now, and I need to just like end it and start my next vlog. But yeah, so I forget like what we even did. I went to get my taxes done and we went down to the Bronx and went to Arthur Ave, so that was like the first half of this vlog. And the one like cinema part of the video where it's like musical and whatnot, that was all Brandon, and I have to say I'm really proud of him because he's like starting to get into editing and things like that. So if you guys like that portion of the vlog and you thought it was good, you can leave some encouraging comments to Brandon to like keep it up and like maybe start his own channel. Yeah, and then the rest of the week was just like really random. I think I met up with Bree at one point, and we just had like a quick little get together, and then I saw Bree and Em later on in the week, which is really nice because I have not been able to see them together in a really long time. And what else did I do? I feel like it was just so random, like everything. Oh, my brother was gonna come over that one night, but he actually ended up not coming, so that's why I didn't continue to vlog. But I wanted to throw that part in here so that I could talk about his clothing line that he's gonna be releasing. I don't really know any of the details, so I think in my next vlog I will update you guys and maybe have him on it so that he can share with you guys and give you like some more information on it. But he has told me some things and I'm super excited about it. And yeah, I like can't wait for him to get everything in because like it sounds so cute. I'm gonna like want to wear everything. So yeah, I'm going to edit this vlog now and try to upload this either tonight or tomorrow because we're actually expecting a crap ton of snow in New York again, and I'm probably gonna be snowed in for like at least tomorrow and maybe Thursday, so I'm gonna have time to edit. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch up with you guys next time. Bye!